Alright guys, so today we have the new blaster, guys. We just got a new Yamaha blaster. Picked this guy up for 280 bucks. Does need a top end, it is blown. Very low compression. I was looking into it, and I figured out exactly what happened. I'll go ahead and show you. It's in the back of the truck real quick. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what happened. It's got decent tires in the rear, like pretty much new. Basically what happened was that happened. So they ran it without an airbox lid with the air filter, and then it just sucked in the dirt right into the intake, and then it's not a matter of a couple hours. We've actually had this happen to the exact same thing happen to another blaster, and as soon as the dirt gets in the rings, it's going to eat them up and they're going to be gone. So I picked this up for 280 bucks this morning. Drove like 2 hours to go get it, 2 hours to come back. I mean, it feels pretty good actually. Everything looks decent on it. It's a 97 blaster. And everything it should be mint, so I didn't even check the brakes. Who knows if they work? No idea. They look like they should work, I hope. Because it has no rear brakes like every other blaster that I get. But yeah, guys, it should be pretty decent. I see there's a tail light on this thing. Of course not. I mean, why would they have a tail light? There's wires there, but you know, whatever. They have. Oh, this is their tail light. Oh man, dude, kick ass. So they gave us a little flashlight. That's our tail light. All right. That's the license plate for registration. It's got an FMF Power Core 2 silencer. And the header looks like it's aftermarket, possibly FMF. It's a little rusty though. You can tell it's aftermarket because it has the flange with the springs. Stock headers won't have the flange. They'll just have a bracket to bolt in. And this is a two-piece design, so hopefully it's got some nuts. I'm hoping it does. But it's purple and black, which is, it's alright. I mean, it'll work. Just hoping that some brakes work at least. Otherwise I'll be a little upset. But it's got those drum brakes like the pre-2000 era. The drums in the front and disc in the rear. But yeah, guys, look forward to more videos on this guy. Rebuild video to come soon. Just want to show you guys this. You can pick these up for pretty cheap. The guys really didn't know what the heck they were doing. They had this and didn't want to rebuild it, so we've rebuilt like 4 or 5 of them from the bottom up. So we know exactly what we're getting into. Top ends are 60 bucks on eBay. So any blaster under like 400 that's blown up is probably a good deal. And of course, this one's got a few upgrades with the FMF and the. I don't know what kind of reeds are in this thing yet, but hopefully she's minty. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much all I want to do in this video. I mean, the motor looks dirty and everything, but the carburetor's a little sooty. We can clean that off. The old oily 2-stroke. So there is the VIN down there, okay? Just want to make sure they didn't shaft this, you know, like scratch the VIN off or something. It says White Brothers suspension. I don't think those are White Brothers shocks. They look like stock shocks to me. But yeah, guys, I looked it over, and I mean, I didn't really look it over too in depth when I bought it because I just really wanted to get the heck out of there. I knew exactly what happened. I knew it was blowing up and everything, and for 280 bucks, it's pretty decent. Has the oil injection tank in the back, but I'm not hooking that up. Probably take it off for weight reduction purposes only. And yeah, it should be mint. So make sure you guys leave a like on this video. And stay tuned for the top end rebuild series and more videos.